Good morning, second grade. My name is Miss Borthwick, and we're going to learn about Mobius bands today. If you take this piece of newspaper, how many sides does it have? 2? If you guys think there are 2 sides to this piece of newspaper, put your hands on your head. Wow, a lot of you guys think this newspaper is 2-sided. I am going to take my piece of newspaper that I already cut, and you guys have these on your desk already. So I want you to take it, and I want you to take your glue stick and glue one side of your newspaper. I want you to hold up your newspaper, rotate it, just turn it halfway, and glue it together. Make sure it's glued on nice and tight, just like this. How many sides do you think this newspaper has now? Do you still think 2? If you think 2, touch your nose with your finger. Wow. Okay. Next, we're going to take our marker, and we're going to start by opening up our marker, and we're going to trace a line right down the middle of our Mobius band. So you want to take your marker, and I want you to just keep the marker on it the whole time. And go straight across. And you want to keep going until you see your blue line where you started. All the way across. So let's look at our Mobius band. We have our blue line on one side, and what you guys said was the second side, there's also a blue line. So this means that our paper is one-sided. Did you guys think that would happen? Okay, so we have one side. Now, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut along this line. What do you think is going to happen? If you boys and girls think that it's going to become 2 separate pieces of paper, I want you to stamp your feet. Well, let's try it out. Okay, so we're going to cut all the way along our middle line to see if we can make this go right in 2s. And you're going to keep cutting all the way across. But you want to make sure you're using your scissors very carefully. And look, it's one big circle because it's one-sided. Good job. All right, at your tables, what you boys and girls can take your own pieces. You can take your own pieces of newspaper strips, your glue sticks, your markers, and your scissors very carefully, and you guys can try to make your own Mobius bands that you can take home to your families. I hope you guys thought this was a fun lesson.